Hello YouTubers, my name is Mike and welcome to my backyard garden. Today we're going to do a 2-week update since I started the spring garden this year. Actually it's 16 days, but we'll call it 2 weeks. What you're looking at right there are some green beans, blue leg variety bush. They're not the vining kind, they are the bush kind. There are some more over here. These were all started in these soil containers. Over here we have cucumbers. These are the cucumbers that I started in the A containers. And I transplanted them 2 days ago into the cloth pot. Over here we have yellow squash. The seeds were started in its container that it's in right now. Vacant, but tomorrow I will be putting in jelly bean tomatoes in here that I grew in the, started in the egg carton. Over here I have cucumbers that were started in this container. Another vacant, short-term vacant. This will be housing the tamed jalapenos tomorrow. Beefsteak tomatoes. These were started hydroponically in a hydroponic system, transplanted into these containers. This one, these are the same age plants. Started germination on the same day. This one I'm going to clone because it's doing so well, and I'll do a cloning video maybe in a week or so, which is really cool stuff. Over here are purple radishes that are sprouted. Over here, which is not sprouted yet, I have planted some Italian parsley seeds. This is the 8 carton container I planted seeds in about a week ago. Over here are my jelly bean tomatoes. Over here, my mild jalapenos. In the center, there were cucumber plants, which I've already transplanted into the grow bags. As you can see, the hydroponic system, the plants are very happy. Beefsteak tomato, Italian parsley, mild jalapeno, Genovese basil, and the jelly bean cherry tomatoes. Down here, we have Genovese basil and the culantro. Culantro is from last year's garden. It's doing very well. I keep harvesting, it keeps growing. I'm loving it. This Genovese basil here and all these plants here were started in a hydroponic system in the house, transplanted in here after a couple weeks. Over here we have, from about 3 years ago roughly, my oregano and chocolate mint plant, which I harvest frequently for cooking and what have you. Doing very well. Over here we have ground under repair, lawn under repair I should say. Nasty Services will be coming out in another week to replace this with St. Augustine sod. We've had a big brutal batch of bahia and crabgrass in this area. That's why it's being done. The rest of the lawn looks very much like this, very healthy, happy. Needs a bit of a mowing today, but other than that, it's very healthy and very happy. Okay, peeps, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. Please hit the like button as well if you found this informative and helpful. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel as it's very helpful to the channel and to myself. Thanks for watching and thanks for hanging out in my backyard garden.